Feel the power of focusing on the things that excite you. Hi, this is Primoz Lazar, and that's my success principle for today. Every day we are regulating between our positive side of emotional scale and our negative side of the emotional scale, and the thing is that we need to find ourselves in the things that excite us, because we want to increase our level of confidence and we want to move from the bottom of emotional scale to the top. And when we do so, we become better, we feel better, we function better, and we are just doing all the things better, and we are also attracting the better things in our life. And constantly energize yourself with the things that you enjoy doing, okay? And try to avoid the toxicants, try to avoid those things that distract you from your real self, from your positive side of yourself. And do something that will inspire you. Try to focus on work, try to focus on the productive things, talk to people, bring some joy in your life, admire the flowers in the garden, take time off, take your time for a walk, listen to the music that you really enjoy, and try to not be focused on the negative things, because they distract us, they put us down, and there is no future in them, okay? Focus on not being angry, and you can do so only if you live passionate life, if you express joy, if you love, if you feel freedom. And you can do so only if you make enough space for yourself to always be able to reach for your desires, okay? That was Primoz, and find something that will empower you and take you all over, again and again, all over through every day. Bye bye.